I just ordered a 10 kilo bag of Laticrete Permacolor grout, and I thought now would be a good time to actually let you know where you buy Laticrete products from, because I've had a number of people ask me, where do I buy Laticrete products? They've gone into Bunnings and Bunnings don't stock their products. That is quite true. You need to go to a specialist tile store. Laticrete sell their products through specialist tile stores. Now, if you're in the US, Laticrete products are more widely available because Laticrete is a global company. Now, if you're in Australia and you're after smaller quantities, you can go through Mosaics in Queensland because they do sell some of their products in smaller quantities, and they have a very good range of Laticrete Permacolor grout, because here in Australia, there's around 40 different colours of Laticrete Permacolor grout. But check out Mosaics, they do sell some of their products in smaller quantities. I'll put the website address here up on the screen. And if you want to know where to buy Laticrete products through specialty tile stores, then you head over to the Laticrete website. I'll put that up on screen now as well. And that will take you to their website. And then if you click on the button on the top of their website saying where to buy, you only need your postcode and the state you're in, and that will tell you your nearest specialist tile store that will stock their products. Now, in some cases, because Laticrete have such a vast variety of products, they may have to order some of the products in for you. But that only usually takes a few days. So, you know, it pays to sort of think, I'll plan a little ahead in advance so that you're not left short. But in some cases, for instance, my local Laticrete tile stockist stocks Laticrete Spectralock epoxy grout, and they keep that in stock, so I don't really have to order that in advance. However, in saying that, I also like to make sure that they have it when I go in there. So if I am getting a bit low, I think a little bit in advance and check it out so that I can give them a call and have them put it aside. Now, there's definitely more than just a couple of tile stores around Melbourne that sell Laticrete product. There's actually a lot of tile stores that sell it. And there's a hell of a lot of specialist tile stores around Australia that sell Laticrete products. So go to the website, check them out, or if you're after smaller quantities, then definitely Mosaics will be able to help you out, and they're based in Queensland. So anyway, if you have any comments, put them down in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.